Hello. Okay, so I've got 40 plus revolvers, and I'm gonna be cursing them. So I'm probably gonna be fast forwarding this because this is gonna take forever. Um. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with this pristine. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Finally, a 10 crit. Oh my god. Let's see how long it lasts. What's this one? Okay, let's see. Bro, okay, I've got undos. I do not care how much I spend on, wait, yeah, undo. I just want a 30 crit, so, I mean, if I get a better crit, then, god, better 20 crit, then I'll take it, but. Okay, just give me a scroll. What is going on? I did not mean for that, bro. I can't be having any reds. I bet. Okay, I'll take another green. I was gonna say, after all those fails. No, bro. Are you joking? I had so many fails. I get 2 greens. Okay. Back to trying to get another 10. Oh no. Okay, oh my god, okay. Okay, another 10 already. Okay, that is nice. Okay. Wish I got that on the other one, but you know, I'll take this. Okay, let's see how many this lasts. I feel like, you know, just give me a 20. Right, like, you know. Just give me a 20 crit roll. I'd love it. Why is there so many failing? Oh my, okay, 20 crits. 20 crits. Okay, 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 come on. I just need another. I just need another. Okay, come on, come on. This, okay, come on. Oh my god, okay, okay. I think this is my seventh 20 now. Oh my god. Bro, are you joking? Are you joking? Are you joking? Are you joking? That would have been my 30 crit. Oh my god. There is no way. There is no way. And then it blows up. And then it blows up. No, but bro. I had a 20 before and that went into 10 ABR. Oh my god, bro. The luck and the unluck in this rolling. Okay. Back to another. Come on, please give me some more. Okay. Okay. Bro. Please. Bro, I'm so annoyed about that. I couldn't have had a 30 crit. It had to be bloody MDI, didn't it? Bro. That's 2 potential 30s I've had. Right, what am I doing with these? I don't care. Of course it's bloody in. I don't care though, it's... Okay, nice. Okay, who cares? That's a 40, so it doesn't really matter. I feel like I've been teased. 100 crit right there. Amazing. Please, just give me another crit one. Resets. Yes. I forgot I have 2 more in here. Okay. Actually so annoying. Please. Why so much text? Jesus. Okay, what was this one? Nah. I don't care. I want a crit. Ooh, I thought that was it then. And it's gone. Okay. So, how much crit did we get? I think we got 20 on one, and then we had a 10, and then like 2 5s, I don't really care about them. Bro, I can't believe we had a 20 crit. 2 rolls as well, in 2 rolls. I mean, I was undoing it, but... And then bloody 60 MI. That is infuriating. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna do another 40, because this is actually quite fun. It feels... When I do, like, a big one like this, I feel like they blow up less. I don't know why. Like, I feel like when I buy one, I scroll it, it just instantly blows up. So this gives me more satisfaction, and I'll actually record it. So, yeah. I mean, we didn't use too many, 6 undos, but my god, that MDMI. Oh, MDI. Yeah. I don't know if I've been saying that or what, but right, yeah. So see ya, bye.